I don't buy condensed milk from this market again ever since I discovered this recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kasia Show and welcome to another recipe video. So guys, this video I'll be showing you guys how to make simple homemade budget friendly condensed milk. So for this recipe you're needing 4 sachets full cream milk. Guys, please, when making condensed milk, is advised to use full cream milk if you want it to be creamy. So guys, the first step is to empty your milk into a pot. Please, it's advisable you dissolve the milk properly before placing it on the fire. Yeah, you dissolve the milk properly before placing the pot on the fire. So I'll go ahead and dissolve the milk properly using my mixer or my whisker. Yeah, it's called a whisker, guys. I'll place it on the gas cooker and I'll begin to stir gradually. But before I stir, I'll go in with 2 cups of sugar. It depends on how sugary you want your condensed milk to be. That is why I always advise making your condensed milk at home. By doing so, you can actually control the sugar you add to the milk. So for this recipe, I'm going with half cup of sugar. I used quarter cup for measuring, so I'm going in with half cup of sugar. So I'll go ahead and stir on a low heat. Please stir on a low heat to avoid burning the milk. When you use high heat, you end up burning the milk. So you just go ahead and stir using your whisker. You stir till it changes color and becomes thick. So I go ahead and stir just as I'm doing, gently, to avoid if you don't stir continuously like this, it will cluster. So I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. After adding vegetable oil, this is optional, so you stir until it changes color. Yes, it thickens and it changes color. Please don't let it burn. Yeah, mine is almost burning under, and you won't know. You just have to monitor it so to the consistency you want. So once you see it's up to the consistency you want, you just bring it down, allow it to sit. Once it sits and cools, you will see that it's thick enough. So guys, after my cool down, I use part of it to make ice cream. So this is the remaining one, which I'll be storing in the jar for my next batch of ice cream. And you can go ahead to filter yours if you want to, but I'm not filtering mine. I just want to store it for my next batch of ice cream. So let me know in the comment section if you're trying this simple condensed milk recipe. That's all for now. See you guys in my next video. Bye.